Hello guys, Kernel Derma Alpha Aerobatin Glutathione Whitening Cream is designed to address hyperpigmentation and promote a brighter, more even skin tone. Infused with potent ingredients like alpha aerobatin and glutathione, this cream targets area of discoloration and helps to fade dark spot, blemish and uneven skin tone over time. The cream's unique formula combines the power of alpha aerobatin, known for its skin lightening properties, with glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin health and radiance. This dual action approach not only addresses existing pigmentation concerns but also provides protection against environmental aggressors that can contribute to skin damage. With its lightweight and easily observable texture, the cream can be seamlessly incorporated into your daily skincare routine. Regular use of Kernel Derma Alpha Aerobatin Glutathione Whitening Cream can lead to a smoother, more luminous complexion, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a target solution for skin brightening and tone correction.